how to create beautiful, clean lead capture pages for any business, any product, or any service tutorial video. So I'm going to go really slow for my new customers and for those of you that really want to learn our software. I'm just going to go real slow so you can follow me step by step. If you need to go fast, you can click the ×2 button on YouTube in the lower right hand corner. So you can click faster if you need this to speed up. But I'm going to show you a quick example of a capture page that I've used to sell one of my services. All right, so this is the landing page, and I used Power Lead System to build this landing page. I want to show you briefly how easy it is to also track your leads. So you want to know where your leads are coming from, like which landing pages are converting. I'm going to show you how easy that is to do. So in your back office, under the Contacts tab, if you click Contacts, we have a Contact Manager system. All right, you got to click View Group at the top, and you can pull up each and every individual custom subdomain that goes to a unique landing page. So these are all of my different landing pages, and to see how many leads I'm getting through these pages, all right, all I got to do is click that subdomain. So you'll notice this subdomain is called tweetsforsuccess.twitterforbeginners.com. So here it is, Tweets for Success, and that's how easy it is. All right, you can see showing 1 to 15, and that would mean I got 211 email leads through that unique landing page alone. Okay, so now how do you build a landing page like that? All right, so there's basically 2 ways. The easiest way is, well, it depends how you determine what's the easiest, but you can either copy a current template that you like, and you can do that under websites and click copy web pages. So if I click copy web pages, it's going to bring me to my websites, and I'm just trying to make a copy so then I can go in and make any edits that I want. Okay, so for instance, if I scroll down, this landing page design is called Lead Capture 2. So it's going to say LC2. And we give you a bunch of templates to choose from. Okay, so there's going to be a template you personally love. And I'm telling you, from my experience, this landing page template has worked really well for me. All right, I've used it to sell all kinds of things, including my video course, my other Twitter course. I've used this landing page for years. All right, it just works. People opt in, people buy. So here it is, landing page or lead capture 2. So I can select email only. I can select name and email, or name, phone, and email. Okay, and all I got to do is click copy page. Then I'm going to click make me a copy. Okay, so remember, I'm just copying like this template. Now it's going to have different wording. So in here, this is where you can hook it up to a subdomain on the fly. So you can put in any subdomain. I'll put in just quick example. I'll put in, this is the name of your website in your admin area. So I could put in testing landing page builder. Okay, so remember that this section is what website visitors see on their browser's bar. I can hook up an email campaign if I select this box. If I tick this box, then I can select whatever campaign I want. Let's see here. So we got a lot of different campaigns, okay? I think I want to select the drag and drop, actually. Maybe I'll even use this. Drag and drop campaign, email only, 19 messages by Power Lead System. So we give you campaigns that are ready to go, professionally written. They get you opens, they get you clicks, and they get you sales. Then you can select the sales page. So the way our software works is you can easily select a website already built that you already built in the system. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to the drag and drop, the new drag and drop sales page. So I'm going to be looking for D, drag and drop sales page 2020, drag and drop sales page. So I can click that on, so I can actually view the page to see where it goes to make sure it's the right website I want them to see. Okay, so this looks like the right website. I like this page. Then I'm going to scroll down, and the cool thing is you can do SEO too. I'm just going to skip that. All right, I'm going to click submit. This is what the default template's going to look like. They give you a little countdown timer. I'm going to click save. Then I can go ahead and I can view this page that I just created. This is what it says. So this is the default copy. Now, if I wanted to go in and change this all out, I could go do that. If I click edit text, I can go in here, edit the text however I want. All right, I can put in some colors. Maybe I wanted to make this green. Go up here, use the text color, make it green. Maybe I wanted to make this red, or all caps. Explode your online income. So you can edit it, you can modify it, okay, however you want, to any kind of branding. You can take this countdown timer out. You can make these words bigger. You can make them smaller. I can put in a picture of myself if I click on image, browse server. I can put in a picture from my library that said, for my personal branding. So I could go down. I like this one for my personal branding. Maybe make it a bit smaller. Click OK. And there's a picture of me. Let's see. Work with Corey Niece. I can make that smaller. Click on font size. Okay. There you go. Okay, that's too small. Probably 18. Nope. See, so I can just edit that however I want until it looks the way I want. You don't want to click with this stuff. You can mess it up. Just leave this stuff the same. Leave the button the same. Okay? Save changes. Now let's take a look at it. See how it went from this to this. It looks a lot cooler, doesn't it? Got that extra color in. Got that personal branding, so it's promote my name. It's promote my picture. So people might look my name up on Facebook and find me on Twitter or find me on YouTube. And it just looks a whole lot better than what they had before. Now, if I want to put in a background, all I do is click on Edit Background, use one of our 83 image backgrounds, click on Submit. Then I just got to select whatever landing or whatever background that I like. So for this one, it's talking about online income, automation. So that's kind of like money or the beach vibe, time freedom, financial freedom. So any one of these beach pictures is probably going to be a great fit, the kind of feel that I want people to have when they visit my landing page. I like this one. I've used this before. I just love the colors. It really pops, and it's converted well for me in the past. So I'm going to choose that background. So it's right in there. It's all you have to do. Then you click Save Changes, and then I'm going to show you how it's going to change here when I click Refresh. So now this is what my page looks like. And this subdomain is all ready to go. When a prospect puts in their name and their email, they're going to be sent my follow-up email campaign, and the very next page they're going to view is going to be this one. And I can even double check just to be sure. So let me put in my details really quick. And if you're getting this, you should be getting this every time. This makes sure that we're compliant with the laws, and it's just a whole lot better to make sure you're getting real human leads. So then I click Submit, and then it should take me right to this sales page if it worked correctly. All right, I'm already in my back office, so I can select either one, and then you can see it's going to the right page because it's got drag and drop magic. Then you can visit my company sales video. All right, watch this beautiful video. Scroll down, learn more about us, scroll down. And at any point, you can click the Start My Free Trial button. And when somebody fills this form out, I'm going to get credit for Power Lead System customer. And you can do the same thing, but you can sell any service. So for this one, I'm not selling Power Lead System. I'm selling my Done For You tweet service that eventually goes to this sales page that I created. And then when they click through, it takes them to a simple checkout page. Very simple, very easy to read. This page has got me a lot of customers and made me a lot of residual income. In addition to the residual income that I make with Power Lead System. So that's how that works. Now, I'll show you really briefly. Our drag and drop editor is just as awesome. I've been building pages for a long time, so I know how to use our old landing page builder, which is the one you just saw. But if you want to create with our drag and drop, all you do is hover over websites and then click drag and drop editor, fill in the dot, and this is just as easy, if not easier. Now, I think it's still in beta at the time I'm making this video, April 7th, 2020. So, like right now, it might take a while to load sometimes. There might be little glitches, but it's still really easy to use. All you got to do is drag over the block that you like, and you can just start building your page by dragging them over, making some edits, clicking save, and you're basically all set. So it's taking a little while to load. I'm going to see if I can access it. Okay. So it finally loaded. So it might take a while to load. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. But if I click blocks over here, and if I want to create a capture page, you'll notice I got capture pages. I got call to action pages, which look really clean. Contact, content, dividers, all of this stuff in here. So I can put in anything I want. And they're always adding more blocks. I think they have over 450 blocks. I think that's what it says. So they give you a lot to choose from right here. Over 450 blocks to choose from to help build your creations with more coming. Okay, so very professional. So if I wanted to make a lead capture page like the one I just created right here, it was. All right, this is a lead capture page because I'm generating leads. All I need to do is click on capture pages because you're capturing your contacts, your visitors' contact information. Find the one that I like, click it, drag it, and drop it over here. All right, then if I want to edit the text, I can do that like so. If I want to take out any blocks, I can do that by clicking this pen. I can click remove. And then make sure you click apply changes. So I can edit the button. Usually you can edit the buttons. You just want to be careful with some of them because sometimes it prevents the site from working. So instead of freedom now, I could put in whatever, get instant access. Instant access. Okay. So you can play around with this, customize it. You can even change the background pick. Let me click apply changes. Okay, so I think that's saved. I believe you can even change the background pick. You just got to play around with it. Take your time, but if I like that landing page, then all I have to do is click save. And then I have to click exit editor. Exit editor here in the upper right corner. So then this is going to bring me right into my back office, which was just where I was at before. So same thing. Name your new web page right here. I'm going to go through this fast. I can set up a new domain. Okay. So I put in new short domain. Click submit. So you can see how easy it is to create complete marketing funnels with follow-up campaigns. I can choose my sales page. And I click save. Then I can choose which autoresponder campaign I want. I'll just leave it like that. Then I click submit. Now let me show you, when you're done creating your websites, your creations are always going to be under the My Web Pages tab. So let's go to My Web Pages. Now I can view the web page I just made, which I named Name Your New Web Page. So here's the lead capture page. All ready to go. I can start marketing that. All right, and I want to show you the other one I named was called Testing Landing Page Builder. So it's always going to show up in the most recent. Then I can click on test link right here. And there you have it. So I'll actually put this website below. And if you want to learn how to create automated income online, fill out the details, and I'll see you on the inside.